another lamon means another walang kwentang food review ng pusang ina nyo. Ito yung dinner buffet sa Sunset View Restaurant when we were in Boracay. They are located at Station 3 and the price is 900 pesos per head. Tapos kapag meron naman kayong kasamang kids 5 years old and below, they are free of charge. Buffet, kapag hindi nyo naubos yung food nyo or may tira kayo, you have to pay 950 pesos. So make sure na uubusin nyo dahil kung hindi, doble ang babayaran mo. But I'm pretty sure that won't happen because ang sasarap ng sinerve during the dinner buffet. Pork belly, tuna skewer, tuna sashimi, beef broccoli, stir-fry bok choy, and for dessert, I had red velvet cake and pistachio cake. Number one favorite is the tuna sashimi. Then next is the lechon. Ang crispy ng balat at grabe yung laman natutunaw talaga sa bibig mo. And then hindi ko masyado nagustuhan yung beef broccoli kasi parang hindi sinama sa pagluto yung broccoli, parang hiwalay. Kaya masarap lang yung beef pero yung broccoli hindi niya nakuha yung timpla nung beef broccoli. Tapos, if you have kids, mag-i-enjoy din sila dito because there are a lot of desserts. Merong ice cream sa cone. So, yung mga kids na kasama namin, yun ang binalik-balikan. Meron din silang halo-halo and a lot of cakes to choose from. Overall, busog lusog naman ang pusang ina nyo. Kaya, it's a yes for me. Thank you for watching. Bye!